In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Discover Bank login problem. So if you're trying to log into the Discover Bank and due to some reason you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable network. Sometimes the problem can be because of unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network or internet connection. After you do that, try logging into the account and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with the credentials. Your user ID or password might be incorrect. So in that case, simply try checking your user ID or password. But still, if you're facing the problem, what you can do is simply recover them. For that, tap on this option, need help logging in, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find your account from your date of birth and SSN. So what you have to do is simply tap on the field of date of birth. Now select your date of birth over here. You can select the month, day and year. After you do that, tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Likewise, enter your SSN or ITIN over here. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find the user ID and you'll also be able to reset your password. Simply reset the password. After you do that, what you have to do is try logging into your account with the new credentials. After that, your problem should be solved. But still, if you're facing the login issue, what you can do is simply try updating the app. There might be some problem in the application itself, so in that case, open the Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in Discover. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Discover Mobile and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while. After you do that, your application will be updated. Now all the bugs must be fixed and you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for Discover and long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Discover Bank. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, storage and cache, that you can see on the screen. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of this application will be cleared. Now you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, there might be some problem with the device itself. Your device must be facing some temporary software glitches. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. Now you should be able to log into your account. So that is how you fix Discover Bank login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.